Hey everyone, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the last in the series of 4 watercolor floral tutorials that I'm doing that are all Disney princess inspired. Today's is Rapunzel. I will always have such a special place in my heart for Rapunzel. Ever since I was little, I've loved art. I took art classes all growing up, and then when I started going to college, I didn't know what else I could study because art was all I was interested in, so my major was fine art. I was taking a drawing class about 2 years into my degree, and I got a terrible grade. And not only that, but the professor made me feel really embarrassed about it in front of the entire class. I felt so awful about my grade, and I was so embarrassed that I decided to just stop going to school altogether for almost 2 years. I thought about going back, but I think I was a little too hurt and a little too prideful to do it. Then Tangled came out. I've always loved Disney movies, and I went to see it opening day with my family. When the floating lantern scene happened, I absolutely lost it. I was over here ugly crying watching a Disney movie. But I loved that something Rapunzel had dreamt about for so long was finally happening for her. After the movie was over, I made the decision to go back and finish my art degree. It was such a good decision, and I'll always remember how Rapunzel inspired me to follow my dream even though it was tough. So many wonderful things have happened because I decided to go back and pursue my art degree. So it shouldn't be a surprise to you that the floating lantern scene inspired this painting. I took inspiration from the colors from that scene to paint these flowers. I started with the purple rose and then these little purple flowers, and then kept slowly adding a bit of pink and orange to my purple to brighten it up for the flowers above the purple ones, and then for the ones below the purple ones I added a little bit more blue. I wanted to create that ombre look just like in the lantern scene. These little dotted berries are also a nod to the floating lanterns. I'm kind of mimicking the flowers that I have on the top of the painting here at the bottom. Next, I'm going in and adding stems and some leaves to this little group of berries. I really wanted the bright colors of the flowers to be the focus, so I added some of that orange-pink mixture to my green to tone it down. I did the same thing for these leaves that I'm adding next to my other flowers. I added my blue color to the green closer to the blueberries so that the green would all kind of match the flowers they were next to. I'm adding extra layers of leaves, keeping these light so that they don't take away from the ones I've already put down. Last, I'm darkening the centers of my flowers to add some depth and to give this painting a little more character. To do that, I'm using the glazing technique, and you just need to wait for your painting to completely dry before you add another layer on top. And I'm just using the same exact color that I used to paint the first layer. I'm just adding a second layer right over the top to darken that up. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed the Disney Princess series, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free to subscribe, and you'll be notified when I post a new watercolor video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!